Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in the world. Whatever time you're watching this video, I hope you're having a good something. I am here today with this look. It's another one of my palette, like full palette tutorial videos, which if you don't know what I'm talking about, go and watch my first one. I'll explain it all there. Can't really be bothered to explain it all over again, but I created this today with the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop collaboration palette Dream Street. It was actually inspired by this Pinterest picture. I don't know who the creator is, I don't know who this girl is, but I thought it was so pretty and I like the shape of the eyes, so I tried to do a creation of it using the Dream Street palette and create this elongated shape, and I really like it, so yeah. If you want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching this video. Okay, so to start I'm going to prime my eyelids. I'm going to be using this Revolution eye primer base and just put this all over the eyelid up towards the brow bone. I've already forgotten to mention, I've already got my eyebrows on. I used the Revolution brow palette to fill them in and the gel from that palette just to brush them all up into place. Okay, so now that our eyes are prepped, I'm going to start with Magical, that really soft peach, and I'm going to blend this up through the crease into towards the brow bone. I'm also focusing on blending this out towards the outer corner and creating that elongated shape that I really want to achieve. Okay, I'm now going to go in with Spark in the very depth of the crease to start adding some definition. I'm also focusing this colour to make sure that I get that elongated shape. Just using that brush that we used first to start finessing the colour and blending it into the others. I'm now going to go in with Elfish on a very small detailed brush and start adding this in to really add some definition and start carving out that cat eye shape. I want to really blend it in this inner corner. I don't want it to be so harsh on the inner corner. I want that colour to really be focusing on the outer corner. Okay, so now we're going to start working on the eyelids with the colour Spark. I'm going to add this colour on the outer and inner corners, making sure to keep to that same shape and not blending it too much into the previous shape we used. I guess if you want it to be a little bit harsher, you can cut the crease, but I want to keep it quite soft and do more of like that soft cut crease that we have going on here. I'm going to take a touch more of Elfish and just flick that up into the very outer corner. I'm now going to go in with Sweet Dreams and spray my brush with a bit of Urban Decay All Nighter. I'm going to add this onto the very centre of the eyelid as the main focus. I think I'm going to keep it quite sharp at the eyelid top though, so it's kind of more of a spotlight eye than a halo, if that makes sense. I think in the very centre I want to add a little bit of Moony, just there. So I cleaned up that edge with a makeup wipe really quickly, and I'm now going to apply my base makeup. I am not going to apply foundation today. This is what happens when I wear foundation. I wore it at prom the other week and I ended up with a really bad clogged pore. I don't really wear foundation anyway unless it's for a video or a special event, so I'm just gonna put concealer on today. Oh, and the concealer that I am using is the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer. Mine is in number 1 Fair. Put a bit on that little hideous friend of mine. Somehow I don't think that's going to completely cover those, so I'm going to try and just leave it. Just going to go in with my powder now. This is the e.l.f. finishing powder in Fairlight. Just going to take the puff that comes with it and put that under the eyes first. Just to really set them, make sure there's no creasing. I'm just going to brush a very slight amount of this over the cheeks to remove any stickiness or any oils that may be there that will stop the face products from laying nicely on top of my skin. So like blushes and bronzers will just lay nicer on there now. Okay, I'm now going to go back to the eyes and complete the lower lash line. I'm going to start off with the first colour we used, which is our transition colour. I actually don't want to take this too far down today, and I want it to connect with the upper lid, so I'm only going to take it down to where my eye bag sits. I'm now going to take a bit of Spark. I'm going to start blending this into the outer corner. I'm going to take it to about 3/4 of the way along the lower lash line and make sure I connect it at the outer corner. And the last colour I'm using is Elfish, and I'm going to take that on the very, very outer corner, blend it in probably halfway along the lower lash line, and make sure I connect it with that top lid. Just about there. And then blend it out. Okay, I'm just going to line my eyes. In the reference picture it looks like she has a wing going on. I really like that, and I think it will add to the look. So I'm going to do the same, but I'm going to keep it very, very thin, and I'm going to follow that same shape that we've already created. This liner is so dried out. I don't recommend this eyeliner though. This is the NYX Super Skinny Eye Marker, and it dried out so quickly. Yeah, my liners are a little bit wobbly now as a result, but oh well. I'm now going to add a bit of this NYX Wonder Pencil in Light right to the centre of my waterline, underneath my pupil iris thing, just to add a little bit more brightness. Just like that. You see it just opens the eyes up a little bit. I'm going to apply some eyelashes, and the eyelashes I'm using are the ELDORA eyelashes in H170. These have a really nice like fluttery shape on the outer corner, which I think will really add to the overall shape of the eyelids. Okay, so while I wait for the glue on those lashes to start going tacky, I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply some mascara. And the mascara I'm using is the KIKO Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara. I'm going to quickly do this side and then I'll be right back. Okay, so that is the eyes done. I'm now going to go ahead and start on the face. So I'm thinking for the face I want to contrast the heaviness and the like very overall dramatic effect of the eyes and instead go for a softer face. So I'm only going to use bronzer today. And this is the NYC Smooth Skin Bronzing Face Powder in Sunny. And I'm going to just do an overall bronze, but I'm going to apply it on top of the cheeks to give it an overall lifted effect to go with the lifted effect of the eyes. Into the forehead. Okay, so for blush I'm going to be using this MAC Toledo collection Kindergarten Red Blush Ombre. This is no longer available, it was a limited edition product. Not only that, it's not cruelty free, so I wouldn't repurchase it anyway. but there are a couple dupes that I found, so I'll link those down below. They're all from NYX, so yeah. I'm going to apply this blush on the apples of the cheeks and blend it upwards into that bronzer. Okay, so now for highlight, I'm actually going to go into the Dream Street palette and have a look. I'm going to try Moony as a highlight, and then I might intensify it with another one. Just going to add this to the tops of the cheeks. Just want it to have that little bit of a pink hue. Definitely the cutest way. I'm going to take Moony again on a smaller brush, and I'm going to add this to the inner corners. Just to really intensify that highlight, I'm going to take a dab of the e.l.f. Baked Highlight in Moonlight Pearls and just go on the very, very high point. Right there. Touch it very, very slightly. I'm going to spray that down with a bit of Fix Plus and we'll go to the lips. So for the lips, I still want to keep it very soft. So I'm actually going to do a bit of Charlotte Tilbury Confession lipstick, but I'm not going to apply it as a lipstick. I'm just going to apply it dabbed on and smudged out. Just going to add a touch of colour, but also blur it out in order for it to be very soft. That's perfect actually. I'm going to leave it like that. Nice. I think we're done. So as always guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe for more videos. I am on a bit of a stress trip right now. It's all about exams, so it's a bit mad, but I have got some videos coming. I'm also starting this new series, which is a vlog series, which you'll know more about at the end of this month when I post my first one. So I will be back. I hope you guys stick around for more, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.